Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to import an image from a URL into Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to our picture tab. Then press mouse on right click and copy image address. Then again go to our Google Docs app, then go to the insert menu, then click image and click by URL. Now I am copy the URL, then click insert image. You can resize the image big or small. Now here you can see import an image from a URL in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.